Have you ever stopped to think that maybe strangers are accessing your security cameras without your permission? It's a chilling thought, but for millions of people, it's a reality.
Take a look at this.
Using just one simple search term on Shodan, we can see over 3 million vulnerable devices exposed online. In the United States alone, there are more than 400,000 systems open to the world. And remember, this is the result for just one single search term. Welcome to Uederson Tech. In this video, we are going to show you how to verify if your security camera is vulnerable. We will also provide essential tips to increase your security and prevent unauthorized access to your home. We need to understand that there are two main ways to access your security cameras remotely. The first is through the manufacturer's private P2P protocol. The second is through DDNS using port forwarding. With P2P, your connection goes through the manufacturer's secure server. However, many people prefer not to use these servers, thinking they will have more privacy by setting up a direct DDNS connection. The irony is that by trying to gain privacy, many users end up exposing themselves even more. When we use DDNS and open ports on our router, we might be giving anyone on the internet a direct path to our cameras. It's like removing the middleman, but leaving your front door wide open for the whole world to see. So, before we go any further, we're going to show you a quick and simple way to find out if your cameras are currently vulnerable. To check if your cameras are safe, our initial test involves verifying your address through Shodan. First, we need to visit the official Shodan platform at shodan.io. But before we do that, we must find our network's external IP address. To do this, we can use any online tool such as the What is my IP tool by NordVPN. It will show us exactly which external IP address our network is currently using. Copy the address displayed, paste it into the Shodan search bar, and press Enter. If you see the message, "No results found," congratulations! It means your cameras are not directly exposed to Shodan scanners. However, we highly recommend following our upcoming tips to ensure this doesn't change in the future. On the other hand, if Shodan displays information related to your cameras or open ports, we need to take immediate action to secure them. Our first and most vital tip: never leave your cameras with default passwords or simple, easy-to-guess credentials. Experienced intruders use specialized tools to crack these in seconds. By using a strong, unique password, we make it significantly harder, almost impossible, for the average person to gain access. Our second tip is to stop using DDNS access and switch to P2P access if possible. Since P2P goes through a dedicated server, it is much harder for someone to intercept your stream. An intruder would need both the specific P2P serial number and your login credentials. Most P2P servers are very robust and offer a much higher level of data security. Finally, here is a crucial tip many people forget: disable UPnP on your router. This feature allows devices to open ports automatically, which is exactly how many cameras end up on Shodan without the owner ever knowing. Turning off UPnP gives us total control over which doors are open in our digital home. We hope this guide helps you feel more secure in your digital home. Protecting our privacy is a continuous process, and staying informed is the best defense we have. Remember, a few simple changes in your settings today can prevent a major headache tomorrow. If we helped you today, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. They might have vulnerable cameras too. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve with more security tips and tech reviews, make sure to subscribe to Uederson Tech and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. We would love to hear from you in the comments. Did your Shodan search come back clean, or did you find something that needed fixing? Let's start a conversation below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe.